Good morning guys, I'm back with another video. This is video orientation based on analogy part 1. This video is analogy part 2. These questions are very important for SSC exams and these questions are based on PYQ and mostly questions are PYQ and few questions are based on PYQs that are FYQs, that is future year questions. So guys, I'm starting my video. I'm solving the questions. Please be patiently watch these videos and learn some skills. Start. This is our first question, which suggests there is relation between 1029 to 7, in that 2187 to 9. What will be the relation between 24 and question mark? So guys, we have to tell in this question. We have to do in this question. We have to learn the squares of the number. The 7 square is 7 square is 49, but 7 cube is 343. But this number seems like a multiple of 343. If we multiply this number by 3 times, it will give you 129. So our logic came out with the number that 7 cube into 3, the number that here n1 cube will give you this number. In the same way, 9 cube will be 729. 729 into 3 will give you 2187. So our this number is given here 24. 24 is equals to n cube into 3. So we'll solve this. N cube will be 8. Our n will be 2. So our answer will be 2. Now coming up to the second question. The same relation is between in this number and this number, and we have to establish a relation in this number. The same relation we have to establish in these questions. So in this question, 7 square, we know that it is 49, and if we multiply it by 2, it will give you this number 98. In the same way, 9 square is 81, and if we will multiply 2 times, that will give you 162. Our logic is clear. What is our logic? This number x square into 2 will give you 242. Now we have to just solve this. Our x will be 11, so our answer will be 11. Coming up to the question number 3. Some of you may find this question a bit tricky or tough, but this is not tough, because you may apply the logic whatever you want. In this question we can apply 2 logics, but what I want to teach you is that very easy logic. This is 35 is a factor of 7 into 5. Now you can just get to know from where this 5 came. You can just subtract 2 from the first number, that will give you 5, and just a bare multiplication of 7 and 5, that will give you 35. In the same way, in this part, 21 into 19 will give you 399. In the same process, 4 into 2 will give you 8. So our answer will be 8. Coming up to the next question. This is very easy question. This is just a process of multiplication. In this question, 31, how can we get? We can just multiply it by 3 and minus 2. We will get 31. And in this part, we can check it. 14 into 3 will give 42, minus 2 is equals to 40. So we have to apply this logic in this part. What? X into 3 minus 2 is equals to 25. So we can just simply solve this question by this method. 3x is equals to 27, x is equals to 9. So we will get the answer 9. Next question. I want to tell you guys one trick. Whenever you see these bigger numbers, there is only one logic. Either there is square of these numbers or there is cube. So in this question, we just put this number as x and we'll apply this x cube. Will give you 125, and 125, just visualize one thing. 750 is a factor of 125. 125 into 6 will give you 750. In the same way, we approach in this. 384 will be definitely a factor of 4 cube into 6. 6 are 36, 6 4 and this is equal 64. Cube is 64 and 64. Our logic applies here. In the same way, we have to approach in this part. We have to find the answer. 3072 is cube of some number may be x cube into 6. So we have to solve this. 6 5s are 30, 6 1 is 6, 6 2 12. Now we got the number x cube is equals to 512, and we know that 512 is in a cube of 8. So our answer will be 8. Coming up to the next question. In this question, 15 is ratio to 125. In the same way, 36 is proportionate to 1728, and we have to find out 27 is proportionate to what number. So guys, in this question we have to just do a simple mathematical calculation. You just divide this number by 3, this number by 3, and this number by 3. We'll get 12 here, we'll get 9 here, and we'll get 5 here. So we can just simply just see this number is a cube of this number. So 5 cube will be 125. So, and this number is 12 cube. 12 cubes 1728. So guys, what will be the 9 cube? 9 cube will be 729. It's a very easy question. Now coming up to the next question. 36 is somehow related to 144. 42 is related to somehow 196. And we have to find the solution for this part. Now just same logic what applies here. In this question we have to divide this by 3. We'll get 12. In this question we divide by 3. We'll get 14. And this number is 196 is the square of 14. It is 14 square. It is 12. It is 12 square. So our number is 81. What will be here? Just you guys, I need you guys to answer this question. This is your homework. I want you guys to comment in my video to tell the answer of this part. Now coming up to the next question. In this question, 4 is ratio to 84, 13 is ratio to 2379, and we have to tell that 11 is ratio to what number. So guys, this you may find tricky, and you may have to see this once while going through your examination. This is nothing but 4 plus 4 square plus 4 cube, that is 4 plus 16 plus 64. So this is nothing but 13 plus 13 square plus 13 cube. So what will be this part? 11 plus 11 square plus 11 cube. 11 cube is 1331. 11 square is 121, and 11 is 11 as itself. Now on solving this, 32516 will get 1463. 1463 will be our right answer. Now coming up to this question, what is written here? 3125. 3125 is a factor of 625. If we simply just visualize number, 3125 is factor of 625, and 625 is a square of 25. So on 25 squaring 25, we'll get 625 and into 5. And from where we got this number? On dividing this number by x by 5. In the same way, 1600 is what? It is somehow 800 twice, or 400 number 4 times. 1600. Now we can find this 20. In the same logic we can apply 20 square is equals to 400, and we just have to do into 20 by 5. We'll get 4. Our answer will be 1600. In the same way, 675 will be what? Of what number square into this you may find tricky. Now we have to use options in this question. Now as put 15 as option. 15 square is equals to 225. 225 into 15 by 5, that will give you 3, and on solving this we can get 675. So our answer is 15. Only thing I want to tell you guys, I am bringing these videos to help you in any of the aspects of the examination. If in any format, if these questions helped you, I will be very thankful. And guys, if you like my video, please like and share and subscribe. Thank you so much.